If your car's AC suddenly stops blowing cold air or keeps turning on and off, don't rush to blame the compressor just yet. It could be your AC pressure switch. Today, I'm going to show you the common symptoms of a bad AC pressure switch, how it affects your cooling, and what you can do about it. All right, let's keep this simple. The AC pressure switch is like the bodyguard of your air conditioning system. It checks the refrigerant pressure. If it's too low or too high, it shuts the compressor off to protect it. So if this switch goes bad, the whole AC system gets confused. Now let's talk about where to find it. The AC pressure switch is usually mounted right on the AC line or near the condenser. On most cars, the high pressure switch sits near the front of the engine bay, close to the condenser or radiator area. The low pressure switch is often found on the larger aluminum line near the firewall or accumulator, that round canister near the passenger side. All right, let's talk about the signs your AC pressure switch has gone bad or is about to. You turn on the AC, but instead of that nice, cool breeze, you just get warm air. That's usually because the pressure switch isn't sending the right signal to the compressor, so it never turns on. You might notice the AC clutch never clicks on. No clicking sound, no compressor spinning. That's a big clue. If the switch thinks the pressure is too low, even when it's not, it'll block the compressor from turning on completely. This one is one of the most annoying ones. You'll hear the compressor turning on, then off, then on again every few seconds. It's like the system is confused, and usually that's because the pressure switch is sending bad data. In some modern cars, the AC button on the dash starts blinking when there's a system issue. That's the car's way of saying, hey, pressure readings are off, check the switch. This one gets people every time. The AC might blow cold one day, and the next day it's dead again. That's what happens when the switch is starting to fail. It gives random readings. If you hook up an OBD2 scanner, you might find codes like P0530, P0532, or P0533. Those are all related to AC pressure sensor or circuit problems. Replacing it is usually simple. Just make sure the system is depressurized first because refrigerant can shoot out. Pop off the old switch, screw in the new one, reconnect the plug, and you're good to go. If you're not comfortable doing that, a mechanic can fix it in minutes. So yeah, a tiny sensor like that can make your whole AC act crazy. If your air isn't cold or the compressor keeps acting weird, check that pressure switch first.
If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.